Today we're looking at the 2026 GMC Sierra AT4 in a Summit White. This one is powered by a 3.0 liter Duramax diesel engine paired with a 10-speed automatic transmission. Let's go check it out. Inside you get these jet black interior, leather heated and ventilated seats on both sides with our AT4 stitching up top. You got Kalahari accents along the middle, and at the bottom left you'll find our power seat controls. Up top we have our leather wrapped heated steering wheel, and inside you'll find our infotainment system with built-in Google Maps to go alongside our wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. In the middle, you'll find you have a push-start ignition as well as keyless entry and remote start. Heated and ventilated seat controls, dual climate controls, park sensors, additional storage up top. You get a USB-C and USB charge port, 2 cup holders, our shifter, additional storage along the side, trailer brake controls, and inside of our middle console, you get a wireless charging pad, USB-C and USB charge ports, and an AC outlet. Moving along the interior here, if we take a look at the driver's side door, you'll find our automatic power windows, and right above that you'll find our power adjustable side mirror controls. By our handle we have our power locks and our seat memory settings, and over here you find our park brake, drive modes, and automatic high beam controls. Up in the windshield you do get a heads up display, and back down to the steering wheel here on the right hand side you'll find our voice recognition to go alongside our menu selector here along the middle. On the left hand side you'll find our forward collision alert, cruise control settings, and our heated steering wheel controls. If we put this vehicle into reverse, you will see it does come equipped with a built-in 360 view camera to go alongside the rear view camera. You also get a rear view mirror, digital display that you can turn on and off with a flick of a switch to your liking. And last but not least, universal home garage opener, power controls for our power sliding rear window, and our sunroof up top. Jumping onto the back, you still get these jet black interior, leather heated seats on both sides, plenty of legroom and space for anyone sitting back here. In the middle, you'll find our heated seat controls, as well as you get a USB-C and USB charge port, 2 vents, you get 2 cup holders, and behind each front seat, there is cubbies with additional storage. Speaking of storage, you also do get 2 cubbies inside the seats itself, as well as underneath additional storage. In the middle, you have our cup holders, and last but not least, our power sliding rear window. Checking out the exterior here on the AT4, of course, we have our GMC badge in the middle of our grille, red accent tow hooks along the bottom, AT4 badging along the corner of the grille here. You get these gorgeous LED headlights and fog lamps along the side. Down low, you'll find our Bridgestone tires, Duramax turbo diesel badging here along the side, black accent side mirrors, black running boards, keyless entry handles that I mentioned earlier, tint in the rear window, and if we make our way to the back, you'll find our corner assist steps on each side and our MultiPro Tailgate with our dual chrome exhaust. Opening up the tailgate to control it, top button gets you the first half down, no problem. It can be turned into a step when needed. Holding down, just press the second button. It'll lead you to our spray-on bedliner and our 120-volt outlet here in the corner. And that is our 2026 GMC Sierra AT4 in a Summit White. If you have any questions or inquiries, please feel free to reach out to our sales team as we can help any questions you may have.